So you're making a project that requires you to use print and cut, but you're not getting favorable results. Hey everyone, Patrick here with Siser North America, and if you're having issues with print and cut and you're looking for a solution, then you came to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you some common issues with print and cut on your Romeo and Juliet, as well as how to fix them. But first, make sure that you subscribe down below, hit the bell for notifications so you can always stay up to date on videos just like this. To get started, it is important to understand what a bad or misaligned print and cut registration looks like. Some can be very subtle, as others can be more prominent. No matter the situation, this is a good indicator that your Romeo or Juliet high-definition cutter is due for a calibration. So, for this first step, you'll need the marker adapter that came with your Romeo or Juliet. This will hold the pen in place during the calibration process. Step 2. There are a couple options for pen styles that you have with the white marker adapter that came with your machine. This was made with Siser sublimation markers in mind, so if you have them, we want to find the black fine tip marker. Simply insert the marker into the marker adapter and you are ready to move on to step 3. Now, a quick tip. If you have a standard Bic style pen lying around, you will be able to use this with your marker adapter as well. To use a standard Bic style pen, you will first insert the pen tip into the marker adapter until it drops into place. Next, you're going to, with a little force, twist the pen 2 times around clockwise and the pen should sit firmly in place. Step 3. Place your marker adapter into the carriage head and be sure that the rectangular window on the marker adapter is just below the C-clamp and lock it into place by turning the silver locking nut until it is hand tight. Last, you're going to want to find a scrap piece of paper or cardstock no smaller than a note card and load it into your machine. Now that we have our Romeo or Juliet set up, let's hop in on how to calibrate your machine. On your Romeo or Juliet's LCD home screen, select the Settings option. Once the setting menu appears, we are going to select Camera. From this menu, press and hold the camera icon until the viewing window turns blue. Next, we are going to select the Start button, which will prompt your Romeo or Juliet to draw a series of lines to create the calibration pattern. And then next after that, the camera will hover over the pattern, displaying it onto your machine's LCD screen. Now the goal of this calibration is to get the red cross in the viewing window to line up centered with the center point of your pattern. This can be done 2 ways. First, by using the touch capabilities on the LCD screen to guide the red cross into place, or by using the directional arrows on your LCD screen. Pro tip. To get an even better calibration results, use the magnifying glass to zoom into your calibration pattern for a more accurate calibration. When you're confident that the red cross is centered with the center of the calibration pattern, select OK to start the confirmation process. What you will see is your camera take a series of 4 images, then return to the initial viewing window displaying the calibration pattern. Once the confirmation process is complete, simply tap the back button and you are ready to continue to create incredible projects with absolute precision. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions on what you want to see next, drop those questions down below in the comments, or send us an email to social@siserna.com. Until next time, I'm Patrick Ali. Bye, everybody.